Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we're gonna make a Filipino delicacy that is very popular during the Christmas season in the Philippines. The Puto Bumbong. Puto Bumbong is a traditional Filipino delicacy commonly associated with the Christmas season, especially during Simbang Gabi, the series of pre-dawn masses celebrated leading up to Christmas. It is a type of steamed rice cake. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! The ingredients that we will need are 3 cups of glutinous rice flour plus more if needed, 2 cups of water, butter for greasing, 1 teaspoon of ube extract, and banana leaves for wrapping. To start, add the water onto the glutinous rice flour, then the ube extract, and give it a mix. If your mixture is too runny, add more glutinous rice flour until it looks like this. Then, shape it into balls. Now, grate the balls using a grater, or you can also use food processor if you want it quicker. Then, set this aside. Now, grease the banana leaves with butter. This will make sure that the puto bumbong will not stick onto the banana leaves. Then, scoop about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the grated glutinous rice. Roll it, and repeat the procedure with the remaining ingredients. Now, steam it about 8 to 10 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Then, you can serve it hot or you can let it cool down a little bit before serving. Now, brush it with butter and top it with grated coconut and brown sugar. Others top it with grated cheddar cheese. And also, some add leche flan and condensed milk, but these are optional. And here's our finished product! Puto Bumbong is chewy and delicious. I hope you'll give this Christmas delicacy a try. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!